hope this is recording. And I'm going to be putting up my, I've just taken a cutting of this elephant bush or Portulacaria afra variegata. So I want this, I know this plant is a spiller, so it's supposed to hang over rocks or, you know, wherever it is planted. But I want to plant it in this pot, and if I put it in there, it's going to stick out, and I want it to actually hang down like this. But if I do that, the stem is actually right at the top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and tie this to the pot. So I'll put the soil in there, but if I tie it to the pot, then it will grow like that, and the roots will take root properly, even though it's right at the top. I'll put enough soil. What I did was, this is actually a pot from IKEA. It's not a planting pot. It's just one of those organizational pots, you know, you put in your spoons or cutlery or whatever and hang it up. So I thought I'm going to use this, so I just made some holes at the bottom. So you can see there, I've just used a hot Allen key, just heated it up and made holes in the bottom. So it's now a planter. So I can hang this up, and I plan on hanging it on my post box. So I wanted to hang there with the plant spilling over it. So what I need first is to tie this. So I've already cut a piece of wire already. So it's just a coated wire, so it's bendable, but it's nice and soft, so it's not going to hurt the plant. So first I need to tie this up, and then I can put the soil in. So let me just get this in. Get this up here. Fasten it at the bottom. I just hope I'm getting everything in the frame here. Okay, so I've just tied it up there to the holes. So now I'm gonna tie this. I hope it holds. I think I'll have to bend it. I don't know if it'll stay. Maybe I should have had a stronger piece of wire. I don't know. Let's see. This holds it down. Well, it's not gonna fall out of the pot. That's for sure, because look, I've twisted this wire around it, so it's holding it in there, but it's still jutting out. I want to be, oh, maybe I can tie it here. Yeah, I'll put some fishing guts to hold it down like this after I plant it. Okay, let me put in some soil. Nothing interesting here, just soil going into the pot. My roots there, and I've got 2 more cuttings that I'm gonna pot up to look, you know, just to fill up the top end of it. Oh, I've got 3 pieces. Oh, 2 pieces. Okay, so they're gonna go like that, so it just gives this nice bushier look. Oh, maybe I'll move that. No, it can stay there. Because I want it to hold in there. This is going to be outside and hanging, as I said, of the post office. I mean, sorry, post box. And you know, if someone brushes past it, it can fall out of the pot. So that's why I wanted it to be more, you know, flat against the pot. But I'm gonna tie it up now. I've got an idea. That won't fall. These little ones here might, but it's looking good. I like this. I can add in more cuttings if I need to. I think that's enough soil to hold those cuttings. So let me get some fishing guts. Oh, I might as well just use this for now, because I have to go and dig for that, and I don't want to stop the video because I need this. Let's tie it up. That's what they do with bonsais. They tie them up and train them to grow a certain way. So I'm gonna do that with this branch. Tie it up. And as I said, it's a coated wire. It's quite soft, so I won't hurt it. But there you go. I think it's not centered. Let me do that again. And it looks center. Right. Maybe I should tie it up higher. Right. That should be fine. Can't be perfect with plants. That looks good. I like it. So I hope this whole thing is getting captured on camera. So that's what it looks like. I'm just gonna put it down there and put the camera so you can get a better view. Oh, there we go. It looks nice. Right, it's just a cutting, so I hope it takes root. And that looks really good. So I don't have the hook here, but I'll, once it, oh look, the sun is catching the light, so lovely. Yeah, this is an easy to grow plant, but sometimes, you know, easy to grow plants don't always go easy. Right, that's it for today, or for this video. And oh, I didn't even say hi everyone. So hi everyone. Hope you enjoyed this video, and let's stay tuned for the next one to see how this progresses. When I hang it up on the post box, I will show you what it looks like. Okay, bye.